Ooh, boy. Man, those needles have good color. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. Hope God blesses your socks off this week. I really hope He does. He's doing that for us. We're grateful and thankful for it. We're going to come in here and tear out these things section by section. Come on the other side of the post, and I'll have a man up there and we'll cut it, pull a section down, move down, do the same thing over and over and over. That way it's safe. We still got some support right here for the man on that side, and then the rest of us, we'll just catch this part, take it out here. I'm gonna use all this for firewood in my new build, and I'll show you that one when we get to it. And we'll rip all this down, and we'll put all new shelving up to match this right here. The reason I'm having to do that is when I go to turn my tow motor, forklift, I know some of y'all call it a forklift, it's a tow motor. When you turn, my tow motor wants to bump this right here, a little too tight. This is 69 inches deep, that's 48 inches deep. And I'm not, this extra 2 foot, I'm not really using that space, so it just makes sense to do this. I know it's a lot of work, but at the end of the day, it'll increase my space in here considerably. So let's start ripping this out. We'll get with it. Let's take a minute and let's backtrack and see where we actually started and show you this side as well.
I'm going down.
Alright, come drop it, set it down, and get new root.
Yeah, I just started right here to play this lower.
Here. Do it at an angle. Hold it. Going in an angle with it. Y'all got it angled? 1, 2, 3. Get that belt buckle at. Oh.
Whoa, horsey.
Yes, we did. Boy, he sure enough did.
Y'all good? The boards might have a little bend in them now, but hey, that's alright.
Come on, muscle. That'll work. All right, so there you go. Turned out really, really good. I'm so tickled with this. So what I ended up doing was leaving this right here, you know, just to kind of give me a little extra up above space, and I can always rip that out if I want to add some more racks later. Of course, I don't know if you caught them before, but man, we used to stack all of our pallets in the floor. A lot of Carbon Earth products in it we actually use in our company, and we actually put them on the yards that we service. And all of it was just in the floor, and it'd be something in the very back I might need, and I'm like, I can't get to it, and it's just nerve-wracking as crap. So I done a Craigslist search and found a company. They delivered them to me. I think I ended up spending about $3,000 on what you see here, and that was with them delivering them from, I think they come from Georgia maybe. So I thought that was a pretty good deal to be able to spend that. I know $3 grand is a lot of money, but for what I got, it's a little bit of money. Now I got all this crazy extra space, and I'm pumped up about it. I really like this. Matter of fact, gave me some good ideas to actually do in another shop with the equipment. Some of the smaller equipment, we're going to get some more of these racks and put them up against the wall, and that way some of the little implements, I'm going to have a Ventrac area where I can put my Tough Cut, my finish mower, my tiller, my aerator, and then stack the Ventrac attachments up, put them on a pallet. When I need them, I'll just come in there and grab it, and man, it's going to open up so much floor space it ain't even funny. So just a little bit of a growing pain. It's a good growing pain though. We're growing, God's so good, and just showing us favor like crazy, and I am so thankful for that and humbled by it. And Academy folks that watch my videos and buy off the website, the Academy website, man, we're just, my wife and I, my employees and I, we're so thankful for you guys, and just humbled by the whole experience. It's absolutely been incredible so far. So hey, maybe this gives somebody an idea, if you're a lawn care company or whatever, and you got a tall building, get you some pallet racks and throw them up, and you can go up when you can't go out. Me, myself, I can't go up no more, but I'm definitely going out. But hey, I'm riding that bicycle about every night for 30 minutes or so. So I'm gonna work on that a little bit right there and try to get it going. So hey, I appreciate you watching. Thank you for your time, and I will check you later.